Hello friends and family, this is Sharita with Unique by Sharita. Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how I'll take this chest and turn it into this using glitter, crushed glass, Mod Podge, and epoxy to achieve this look. If I were to grade this project on how easy it was on a grading level of 1 to 5, 5 being most difficult, I would give it a 2. It's very easy. I would give it a 1, but you have to watch how much Mod Podge you use as well as how much epoxy you use to seal it. Just remember, as I mentioned, on a scale of 1 to 5, this is a 2 because how you apply your Mod Podge. It only takes a thin layer. If you apply a thin layer, that means it will dry completely clear. I'm taping off the area around the damaged drawer to protect the area that I do not want the glitter on. Now I'm applying the Mod Podge to the entire damaged area, and then I'll follow up with the glitter to completely cover the area. There's other ways that we could have done this particular technique, but because I'm covering mirror, I decided to use the glitter and completely cover the mirror. If this was a wood project that didn't have any holes or gaps in it, then I probably would have just painted it, put a little glitter in it along with the crushed glass that you'll see me do in a couple of more steps. So this is just the easy way to cover those gaps and holes that are in this mirror. I just let the glitter dry for about an hour or two. And then I followed up with another layer of Mod Podge. And then I applied the crushed glass. So I just applied the crushed glass over the Mod Podge and the glitter. And I just slightly spreaded it out to try to even it out as much as I could with my hand. And it's not like really sharp, so you can use your hand. I would recommend using gloves only because some of the glitter or some of the glass may stick to your hand a little bit, but I felt comfortable without using gloves. So I'm just applying it and a little bit more and spreading it out, and then I'll let it dry for about 12 to 18 hours before I go on to the next step. I decided to go ahead and do 2 drawers instead of 1. So now that everything is dry, I removed the tape from the previous phase, and I'm going to apply the tape again for the second phase, which is the epoxy portion. I didn't need a lot of the epoxy because I have a small area and I do not have a lip on the drawers. So I went ahead and just bought the smallest bottle that I could buy, which I believe it measures out to be about 8 ounces. Directions say to measure in a container equal parts, not to rely on the measurements of the bottle. I poured each bottle directly into the container and mixed it there, so it did cure correctly. So if you did do that, it should be fine. Okay, so this is the last step. I went ahead and removed the tape because I didn't want the tape to stick to the dresser. I let it cure for 2 days, and then I applied my new knobs, and it turned out great. All right, everyone, this is the end of the video. Thank you all for watching my videos. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like these, please subscribe to my channel. Turn your notification on so you'll be the first to know when I post more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.